Here are 6 tips you need to know before you connect on public Wi-Fi. 1. Verify the network. Make sure you're connecting to the correct network. Scammers may create networks that seem harmless based on their name but are set up to steal your information. 2. Avoid sensitive activities. Refrain from online shopping, banking, and sensitive work that requires passwords or credit card information while using public Wi-Fi. Cybercriminals use a combination of technical know-how and free tools to sneak into unsecured networks and steal sensitive information. This could include passwords, banking information, or personal data that can be used for identity theft. 4. Turn off file sharing. Disable the file sharing option while on public Wi-Fi. You can turn off file sharing from the system preferences or control panel, depending on your operating system. Turning on sharing changes your firewall settings to allow some communication, which can be a security risk. If you know you won't need to share files, the safest choice is no, don't share or connect to devices. 5. Use a VPN. A virtual private network can provide an extra layer of security. VPNs use encryption to create a secure connection over unsecured internet infrastructure. It protects data as users interact with apps and web properties over the internet, and they can keep certain resources hidden. 6. Forget the network. After using public Wi-Fi, select Forget Network to prevent your device from automatically reconnecting in the future. Remember, public Wi-Fi networks are less secure than your personal or work networks, so it's important to be cautious. Stay safe online. Share this video with a friend. If you find this video helpful, hit sub or follow if you want to learn more about computers. Thanks.